Yo guys, this is your artist Tolg, and today I will test these water-based markers from Artistro. They reached out to me and asked me for a review, and I will make that happen today. As you can see, I received two small packages with 30 markers in each set. Let's see what's in there. Alright, first we have small fine tip pens, which are really handy and I guess very usable for smaller areas. Looking pretty good actually. Let's see what's in the other package. Here we have very big pens. I guess these are meant for using them on bigger areas. Very interesting design, and if we take a look at the instructions on the pen, we first have to shake the pens, then press them so the colors are getting ready, and just then we can start coloring. Alright guys, let's test them. Therefore I'm using sketches I did earlier. This is my original same Banazes by the way. So we are shaking the pen, pressing it against the paper until the colors are ready. First impression, very different compared to the alcohol markers. I am using paper which is ideal for water-based pens, but still the coloring is not really smooth. And as you can see, blending and shading is pretty much impossible. Well, maybe it is possible, but not with my coloring technique. But what I can say is the colors are very strong, which is great. Let me do the sketch real quick and then we can test these markers seriously. Nah, Vegeta doesn't look good. Let's start new. Okay, this one looks way better. Now I'm using the black water-based pen for the inking. I will use only the supply I received from Artistro today. These smaller pens are actually really handy, I really like that. And as I said, these colors are very strong. Alright guys, inking done, and now we can try to color Majin Vegeta seriously with these water-based pens. As you can see, I didn't erase the pencil lines, just because these colors are so strong, we can just overlay them. And I gotta say, shaking and pushing the markers before using, it's kinda annoying. Maybe it's because I'm not used to it, but yeah, it is what it is. The funny thing is, these colors are so strong, you can even overlay black with a brighter color tone. Maybe this is normal with water-based pens, but for me this is new. And as you may see, the paper dissolves a little bit when I use the pens too much, which really is not great. And as the shading is not really possible for me at this moment, I decided to not continue with coloring Vegeta. I will try to draw something simple and color it then, like Dragon Ball Z eyes. Well, I messed up again guys. I tried to give the eyebrows some shades once again, but it just doesn't look good. Then I have to color without shades, I guess. Let's see how that will look. Okay, now I will color the eyes before the inking, so I will not overlay the ink. Well, as I said a few times now, the colors are strong, which I really like. But you gotta wait a few seconds so the colors can dry. Otherwise you will smear the colors, which I'm doing a few times here and there. I don't know why so much ink is coming out right now for the eyes, but I will just continue with the inking. So, first eye done. I think without trying to add shades, it actually looks pretty good. I will now draw a few eyes more to test out some other colors. From now on, it's the same process, so I think I don't have to tell you my opinion for these markers anymore. But you can tell me what you think of these colors so far in the comments below, guys. Alright guys, now to the last eye of today. I think that's enough. I'm using an orange color tone for this, just to have a big color variation. After inking, the eye's actually looking pretty good. What do you think? Now I will add white dots to each eye, like I always do, and then we are done for today, guys. Alright guys, that's it. I tested the water-based pens from Artistro. What can I say about these pens? The colors are very strong, maybe even too strong, because you can overlay the black tone with some brighter tones, which can be annoying. Which is also annoying, the shaking and pushing before using. But the cool thing is, if you want to test these markers yourself, you can save 10% with the code 10arttolg at artistro.com. So if you want to give them a shot, make sure to use the links below, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video today, guys. If you did, make sure to like the video. I would really appreciate that. And make sure to subscribe if you are new. Thanks for watching, guys. Until then, stay healthy, stay fit, be a good person, be you, and always remember, you are the designer of your own life.